Hello everyone, I am Priya Kaushik and I welcome you all on Skin Clean. So as I said earlier that we'll discuss about some home remedies and what should you eat to prevent acne. So let us start and make sure that you subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. So let's get started. So first of all, it is really important that you drink 2 liters of water every day. And when I'm talking about water, I mean clear water, and I do not talk about any concentrated juices or squashes. No, nothing. It's just clear water because it allows your skin to flush out all those toxins from your skin, and it keeps your skin hydrated. So it's really important that you drink 2 liters of water every day. And with that, make sure that you include fruits and vegetables that are antioxidant in your diet, because that will keep your skin healthy and young for a long time. So moving on, now I have seen a lot of people following this practice that once they get a pimple or a zit, they apply toothpaste over the area. Guys, first of all, if you're doing this, please stop it, because toothpaste is acidic in nature, and then it contains baking soda and alcohol and an antibacterial ingredient known as triclosan, which may occasionally dry up the pimple but can leave you scars and hyperpigmentation. So it's a total no to toothpaste. Instead of it, what you can do is you can use tea tree oil. Like you can mix tea tree oil into your moisturizer and apply it all over the affected area. Then the most successful hack in treating acne, like the home hack in treating acne, is apple cider vinegar diluted in water. So whatever amount of apple cider vinegar you take, just double or triple the amount of water, but please keep a check on the ratio of apple cider vinegar and water, because if directly apply, it can irritate your skin, because apple cider vinegar causes burning sensation and inflammation. So be particular about the quantity of cider vinegar and water. And green tea is also known for its anti-inflammatory properties, so it is really beneficial in soothing down your inflammation. So now if I talk about a DIY mask, then what you need to do is you need to take 2 tablespoons of honey and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Just mix it out and keep it for 10 minutes on your face, and then just rinse it off and pat dry. So this is quite beneficial in treating your acne. And now and one more thing, like if you have oily or acne prone skin, then it's better that you use a salicylic acid face wash, because salicylic acid does a trick for acne. So use that. So now let us talk about the ingredients that actually aggravates acne. So all these processed dairy products, say it's cheese, chocolates, milkshakes, mayonnaise, or ice cream. So if you're having it, then there's a little amount of hormonic element in all such products that triggers the secretion of your hormones, and then there will be sugar secretion of the oil by that particular sebaceous gland. So this is why you need to avoid all such products, and in particular if you have polycystic ovarian disease, because women who are suffering from PCOD, they need to be very careful about their diet, because once they put on weight, then they'll have, their ovaries will secrete more hormones, and more hormones will lead to more imbalances, and more imbalances then will increase acne. So it's a whole vicious circle, so you need to avoid all such products. And here you also need to avoid these oily and fried food and these sugars and sweets, but it is particularly for women who are suffering from PCOD. So rest of you can have a little bit of oil, but I will say that you should avoid, because staying healthy is really important, because it stays for a longer time and it keeps you active and fresh also. So yes, keep watching, and you can also follow us on our Instagram. Our Instagram handle is @SkinClean. So till then, stay safe and stay connected.